You're unlimited. And you are the universe. You're loved. You live in a loving universe. Trust the process. You are unlimited. So my love, love yourself. And love this life. You're unlimited. So much potential. Live it. Dream your highest dream. Live your highest dream. Live your highest self. I just finished dancing and I hope you enjoyed this experimentation of mine. If you enjoyed it, do comment, tell me and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any requests for any video, do let me know. I would love to take them. I'm planning to take a 30-day dancing challenge. And if you would like to see it, do let me know. I love you and I'm feeling wonderful.